Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show the user the directions builder within the script. The directions builder enables practitioners to provide precise instructions on how to take or administer medication. This ensures that the prescribed medication is taken in the most effective manner to treat the patient's condition and symptoms. In this video, we will start on a script screen. For more information on completing a script, please refer to the basic script features user manual linked in this video's description. For more advanced scripting, please refer to the advanced scripting and generic medicine user manual linked in this video's description. The directions builder functionality can be found within each invoice item line on the script. An explanation will now be given for each field. Click on a time of day drop-down menu to state the recommended time frame for taking the medication, for example, taking the medication in the morning or at intervals of every 4 hours. Click on a meal relationship drop-down menu to indicate the method for taking medication in relation to meals, for example, taking medication before or after meals. Click on a repeat field to enter the appropriate number of times the prescription will be refilled. Alternatively, the user can use the up and down selectors to choose the correct repetition. Click on a dosage field to enter the appropriate amount of medication to be taken at a time. Alternatively, the user can use the up and down selectors to choose the correct dosage. Click on the route drop-down menu to specify the method of administering the medication, for example, administering the medication orally, sublingually, or nasally. Click on a frequency field to enter the appropriate number of times the medication should be taken per day. Alternatively, the user can use the up and down selectors to choose the correct number of times the medication should be taken. Click on a days supplied field to indicate for how many days the medication will be taken based on the amount of medication supplied. Alternatively, the user can use the up and down selectors to choose the correct number of days the medication will be supplied for. Click on a total quantity to indicate the total amount of the medication prescribed. Alternatively, the user can use the up and down selectors to choose the applicable amount of medication to be prescribed. After completing the fields we just discussed, the user can click on the exclamation mark button. The directions field will populate accordingly based on the information and values the user completed on all previous fields. Click on the X button to reset the directions field to default. Click on the Mark as not substitutable checkbox to indicate that the prescribed medication may not be substituted for any other medication.